Thank you for joining us on the sweet language of life.
This is episode 10.
It, you know what happens? I have accepted the fact that we cannot change any person around us, because whenever we want to change anything around us, again वो egotistic perspective से आ जाता है कि मुझे ये पसंद नहीं आ रहा जैसे वो है, मुझे उनको बदलना है। अगर वो नहीं बदलते तो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगेगा। And I think that should never happen. It feels like, hey, you go about your way. I don't, even if you're someone who's very, very close to me, the power to accept the other person as they are, the power to not make them change is what I felt is a very big power. I mean, अगर वो कुछ गलत कर रहे हैं, let's say you have a child, right? You have a kid, and the fact that we tell them ये मत करो, वो मत करो, ये मत करो, हाँ आग में हाथ मत डालो, because that's a survival question. बट तुम्हारा बिहेवियर ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, वैसा नहीं होना चाहिए, वही पूरा वही कंडीशनिंग का लूप चलता रहता है, चलता रहता है, चलता रहता है। मेरा कंडीशनिंग वर्सेस योर कंडीशनिंग, तुमने इतने सालों से जो सीखा है वर्सेस मैंने अपने इतने सालों में जो सीखा है, वही कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, वही बैटल्स। इट्स अ मच बेटर पोजीशन टू बी, जहाँ पे मैं सोच को मैं कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि मेरी कंडीशनिंग पे ही बेस्ड है मेरी सोच। मैंने जो पढ़ा है, जो देखा है, जो सुना है, जो महसूस किया है, सब कुछ मेरे कंडीशनिंग को ड्राइव करती है, जिसकी वजह से मेरा थॉट चलता रहता है। अगर मुझे कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है तो मेरा थॉट बोलेगा ये अच्छा नहीं है, पर मैं इधर आई कैन स्टेप बैक एंड आई वोंट डू एनीथिंग, और आई कैन थिंक ऑन इट, हे ये अच्छा नहीं है मेरे लिए, आई विल नॉट लेट दिस कम इन टू माई लाइफ, ये बहुत गंदा है, आई डोंट लाइक दिस। आई थिंक वही व्हेन इट्स सेल्फ सेंटर्ड बिहेवियर ना, जो ये मुझे पसंद नहीं आ रहा, ये नहीं आ रहा, इट्स लाइक तुम कोएग्जिस्ट नहीं कर रहे हो। जैसे कोई पेड़ होता है ना, पेड़ पे बर्ड्स भी आते हैं, स्क्विरल्स भी आते हैं, इंसेक्ट्स भी है। पेड़ कुछ बोलता नहीं है, वो क्या बोलेगा? बोल नहीं सकता, वो अलग बात है, बट वो कुछ बोलता नहीं है, बिकॉज वो कोएग्जिस्ट कर रहा है इन सबके साथ। वो स्क्विरल भी बर्ड को कुछ नहीं बोलता, वो बर्ड भी इंसेक्ट को कुछ नहीं बोलता। हाँ, खा जाता होगा कुछ इंसेक्ट्स को, पर कोएग्जिस्ट करते हैं। कोई मतलब सर्वाइवल को छोड़ के, आई थिंक ये जो सर्वाइवल का क्वेश्चन है ना, कि हम सर्वाइव करने के लिए हमें जो इमोशंस या जो चाहिए वो सही है, उसके ऊपर कुछ भी है ना, दैट इज ऑल कंडीशनिंग। इट्स लाइक मुझे खाना खाना है तो हाँ मैं इसको मार के खा लूंगा, क्योंकि मुझे खाना खाना है, आई नीड टू सर्वाइव। बट अदर देन दैट, कि मुझे बेचना है, कॉमर्स करना है, चलो मुर्गियों को लाइन से खड़ा कर देते हैं, काटते रहते हैं, ये मेरी रोजी रोटी है, ये है। आई थिंक I don't know how to explain it, but these are some of those weird thoughts that come into my mind, where it feels the more self-centered, the more we presume the world is, revolving around us. मेरे तरफ तरह से नहीं हो रहा है, मुझे जैसे चाहिए वैसा नहीं हो रहा है, ये ऐसे क्यों बिहेव कर रहा है, वो ऐसे क्यों बिहेव कर रहा है। आई थिंक it is best to let things be as they are, and it's very hard to do that. And it's much more hard to let things be as they are than to change things. And with changing things it becomes a conflict, because we are saying, hey, तुम्हें change होना है। I think accepting who we are and accepting who they are is very important, because अगर चेंज होना है तो वो होगा, नहीं चेंज होना है तो नहीं होगा, उसकी मर्जी है। We can't change anything. I mean, what are your thoughts on that?
या आई टोटली अग्री बिकॉज सी हम सामने वाले को कभी भी चेंज नहीं कर सकते हमारे क्योंकि हमारे पास उतनी पावर भी नहीं होती है कि we'll be able to change the other person the way that person is, right? We obviously, if that person is very close to you, you can always, I won't say you need to just bash that person, but you can always suggest. Again, it depends, because you need to see if that person is really willing to listen to you or not. That is also very important. If that person ka wo ego gussa sab ek sath hai, so the best what you can do is you can just step out. That is what I feel कि ठीक है, I tried my best. If that person is not willing to listen to me, okay, let me just take a step back. And ठीक है, and as far as the acceptance part, yes, it is very tough. But then what I feel is gradually over the time वो धीरे धीरे एक्सेप्टेंस शायद आ जाती है उस टाइम पे, बिकॉज यू नो आई हैव पीपल who behave a certain way, right? And I don't like it. I really don't like it. But gradually over time, what I have experienced is it's better to just let go, because it is their habit to do or to act a certain way. I can't control them. Even if I have, you know, confronted them in a polite way, they aren't willing to listen to me. What can I do? What next steps can I do? So if you ask me, hmm, one hand distance. From that one hand distance, that's it. So that the person is also at peace, and most important, you are also at peace. That is very important. So this is how I am kind of balancing out things when it
Right.
comes. I mean, I really liked your question actually. That not, I mean, whatever you discussed with me, that you know we can't change people, this that. Yeah, that's true. We can't actually. So it's better, rather than going over a fight. Jahan necessary lage, obviously you need to fight agar the other person is disrespecting you, of course. But apart from that, it's better to just take a step back. That is the best you can do to yourself, at least.
Right. So one final question before we end the podcast, and again, thank you for joining. Um, I think a lot of people have benefited from this conversation. I don't know how many people are going to stick through the whole conversation, but even if it is one person, I think they are pretty much grateful that they've been able to listen to you in some way or the other. So the final question that I have for you, you've mentioned the word balance quite a lot, right?
Yeah.
And a lot of people would say, hey, balance का मतलब तो ऐसा है ना कि मतलब मैं गुस्सा भी हूँ और मैं गुस्सा नहीं भी हूँ. And how do you do that? I think that's the biggest question. The question itself is how do you balance it out? Because I think it all falls, when I think about it, it all falls on the seesaw of, hey, I value something, and I have some emotions involved in this thing, and it didn't go as planned as it would have been the best case scenario for me, and I have to react. And that's what you're saying is balance. The reaction has to be such that we are composed, or we are it has the best result, right? I would think that's balance, right? So
Okay.
how I mean, you can always disagree, or you can always come with a second point on that. So what do you mean by balance, and how does one achieve it according to you, whatever you've experienced over these days, this life?
Okay. So by balance, I'm saying, you know, there are certain situation wherein, you know, we are kind of, uh, obviously we tend to get a bit confused that, you know, how should I react? Right. And it has happened, it happens with everyone. And if you ask me from jealousy perspective or anger perspective or ego perspective, whatever, I mean, the habits which we have inculcated during our childhood, specifically for me, it has to be the anger part. uh, and obviously there were a lot of insecurity as well during the childhood, which you know I have experienced. And now, if I talk and when I look back, and obviously I'm in the transition process, I'm in kind of trying to balance it out. So, by balance, what I'm trying to say is that we should have that much of understanding, that level of understanding, that I'm aware that if a particular person is, you know, kind of saying something, एंड आई समहाउ फील, अब वही है ना, कंडीशनिंग की बात आ गई, मेरा दिमाग उस हिसाब से कंडीशनड है कि मेरे को तो अब गुस्सा बिल्कुल कर जाना है, ये क्या बकवास हो रही है ना. बट मेरे अंदर आई शुड हैव दैट मच ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग and awareness is very important, that much of awareness and understanding, and of course wisdom. And wisdom is something, it's not about being intelligent, it's about being, you know, how do you process or how do you process, or how do you kind of create a thought within yourself that okay, this is good for me. You have that understanding in you, how, with what is good for me and what is bad for me, right? And for that, to achieve that balance, I need to have awareness first of all. Ki agar, for example, if you are kind of just getting angry with me, okay, you are saying certain things and I recognize that it is hurting me, and now I feel like nahi, ab to mujhe gussa kar jana hai, but I feel, what does that mean? ये मेरा habit है कि अब तो मुझे उस पे गुस्सा कर जाना है. Agar, if I take a step back, if I try to analyze the situation, if at that point of time when you are shouting at me, I'm just giving you an example, you're shouting at me, and I feel whatever the person is shouting is not making much sense to me. So what should I do? मेरी हैबिट बोलेगी कि नहीं, अब तो अच्छे से ना करारा जवाब देंगे इसको, मस्त वाला एकदम, है ना. But then on the other hand, मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि maybe that person is not having a good day. That person might be having a bad day. Maybe that's why that person is not able to understand what to say things, and he or she is venting out that frustration on me. If I identify that by the way the person is speaking or talking to me, then I should definitely take a step back. And when I see if the person has cooled down, I can always approach that person that, are you okay now? Why were you angry? Whatever it is. And then you can just explain that person कि भैया ऐसे गुस्सा मत किया कर, जो भी है ऐसे. This is the way I think we should be doing this. And of course, I'm still in the learning process because still अभी भी कई बार ऐसा होता है कि in case अगर किसी ने मुझे कुछ बोल दिया और मैं एकदम से I react. I'll be honest with you, I एकदम से react. I get very angry. And then जब तक ठंडा होता है गुस्सा, and then I'm like, oh, it wasn't really necessary. I should have just avoided it. This is what I've experienced. So I just want to say is that, when a person, you need to observe the person first. That is very important. And you should be aware कि तुम्हारे अब अंदर कैसे इमोशंस हो रहे हैं. अब जैसे मुझे पता चल जाता है कि ओह, अब गुस्सा आ रहा है, मुझे आ रहा है, ठीक है, अब अगर लग रहा है तो दिखाऊंगी, नहीं लग रहा है तो मैं नहीं दिखाऊंगी. This is what my thought process is.
So that's balance for you. I think that very well describes what everyone goes through in on a daily basis. And I think
Yeah.
People who are really interested in this question, who really are in this search for the right answer of how people need to behave, I think हमारी पूरी upbringing ऐसी होती है कि hey, this is how you need to behave. And when we go through that conditioning for a lot of time ना, हम हर चीज को उसी behavior के साथ करना, मतलब we try to do it and then we fail. So
Yeah.
we, at this age, we truly are babies right now, trying to understand how how to behave. And
Yeah.
it's funny, but it's, I think
Yeah, it is funny.
it is funny. And I think whoever is watching this, I think they are also babies. Okay, don't unsubscribe based on that comment, but feel free to be happy or sad about it. Anyways, thanks Arushi for joining. I think a lot of people have benefited from this conversation. I certainly count myself one of them, and the other 50 odd people who want to watch this. I think over time people might increase on this channel. If not, hey, I don't really doesn't really matter to me. um if you are watching till now, always take a note that you are free to watch other conversations that we are going to have on this channel, and if it helps you, um yeah, just stick around. I won't even ask you to like, subscribe, or do anything. Arushi, do you have anything to say before we part ways? Any suggestion you
Yeah.
might have for people?
I think it was a great conversation. I really enjoyed it. And that was something I really wanted to discuss with some other person actually, because all these things only my parents are aware. That is the funniest thing. Parents and my close relatives, you can say. So they are aware of the journey which I am going and which I have been through. So it feels really great that I had a discussion with you and your subscribers, and I hope they will enjoy your channel. And yes, do like, subscribe, and comment uh, to Ishan's channel, and keep growing. And all the very best for your journey. All the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. And the same message goes to everyone who's watching this video. Thank you.
Thank you for watching The Sweet Language of Life.